Shadow Learning Solutionsലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. In sales price of commodities are fixed a bit lower than prevailing market price. Normal price policy, active price policy, incentive price policy, none of these. Correct answer is option B, active price policy. Dash published a book called Pupils Banks for Northern India. H. Dupernix, Dr. Gadgil, Lusati, and Macpherson. Correct answer is option A, Dupernix. The reformulated cooperative principles were accepted by the ICA in 1966 at Dash Cooperative Congress, Manchester, London, Vienna, Paris. Correct answer is option C, Vienna. Dash was considered as the home of dairy cooperatives in the world. Italy, Denmark, Sweden, USA. Correct answer is option B, Denmark. Dash was the founder of Folk High School in Denmark. Lusati, Nelson, NFS Grundtvig, none of these. Correct answer is option C, NFS Grundtvig. Gramiya is the half-yearly publication of RBI, NCUI, SBI, NABARD. Correct answer is option D, NABARD. The headquarters of Coirfed is at Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Thiruvananthapuram. Correct answer is option C, Alappuzha. ICA accepted cooperative principle in the year 1937, 1947, 1973, 1974. Correct answer is option A, 1937. China is famous for Dash type society: agriculture, processing, consumer, industrial, marketing. Correct answer is option C, industrial. The land are cultivated by the member according to the guidance of the society is the feature of collective farming society, better farming society, joint farming society, none of these. Correct answer is option B, better farming society. Dash was known as the constitution maker of cooperative movement in England. Robert Owen, Dr. William King, Charles Howard, Charles Guide. Correct answer is option C, Charles Howard. Cooperative Wholesale Society in Denmark is known as CWS, FDB, KF, none of these. Correct answer is option B, FDB. Dash was considered as the father of cooperative movement in India. Frederick Nicholson, Dupernix, Edward Law, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is option A, Frederick Nicholson. Chairman of NABARD is appointed by RBI, State Government, General Council of NABARD, Government of India. Correct answer is option D, Government of India. NCCT was formed as per the recommendation of Dash Committee: Khusru, Shivaraman, Swaminathan, none of these. Correct answer is option C, Swaminathan. Kerala State Cooperative Union was established on 21/11/1970, 1/11/1956, 21/11/1952, 15/5/1969. Correct answer is option A, 21/11/1970. UN and ICA celebrating Dash as International Cooperative Day. First Saturday of July, second Saturday of July, first day of July, none of these. Correct answer is option A, first Saturday of July. Dash is the first scheduled state cooperative bank. Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, Karnataka State Cooperative Bank, Kerala State Cooperative Bank, Tamil Nadu State Cooperative Bank. Correct answer is option C, Kerala State Cooperative Bank. Dash is the trustee of debenture issued by Kerala State Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank. Government, Registrar, General Manager, Managing Committee. Correct answer is option B, Registrar. Dash means a society having its area of operation confined to a taluk and the principal object of which is to provide for long-term credit for agriculture and rural development activity. Correct answer is option D, PCARDB. Certifying copies of resolution entries in books etc. by societies shall be signed by President and Secretary of the Society, President or Secretary and not less than 2 committee members of the Society, Secretary and at least 2 committee members, President and not less than 2 committee members of the Society. Correct answer is option B, President or Secretary and not less than 2 committee members of the Society. The Director of Cooperative Audit shall be the competent authority to prepare and maintain the list of qualified auditors or auditing firms and publish the list within dash from the close of financial period 6 months, 3 months, 60 days, 30 days. Correct answer is option C, 60 days. Bar jurisdiction of court is specified in dash of KCS Act 1969, Section 99, Section 100, Section 101, Section 103. Correct answer is option B, Section 100. One copy of the award, order or decision passed under Section 70 of the KCS Act 1969 shall be kept in the file for dash period 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 12 years. Correct answer is option D, 12 years. The procedure to be adopted by the liquidator for the winding up of a cooperative society shall be prescribed in Rule 68, Rule 69, Rule 70, Rule 71. Correct answer is option B, Rule 69. The procedure for the execution of award as order or decision shall be specified in dash of KCS Rule 1969, Rule 71, Rule 73, Rule 74, Rule 75. Correct answer is option C, Rule 74. The headquarters of Kerala Cooperative Tribunal shall be at Kozhikode, Ernakulam, Kannur, Thiruvananthapuram. Correct answer is option D, Thiruvananthapuram. Every application for review under Section 85 of the KCS Act 1969 shall be in form number dash of Appendix 2 KCS Rules 1969 13, 15, 16, 17. Correct answer option C, 16. Which of the following authorities shall have exercised the powers of a civil court? Registrar, liquidator, tribunal, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Any dispute relating to any matter in the constitution of Circle Cooperative Union shall be referred to the dash within dash days. Government 30, registrar 30, tribunal 60, cooperative arbitration court 60. Correct answer option B, registrar within 30 days. An application for registration of a cooperative society shall be sent to the registrar by registered post, in person, by electronic media, A or B. Correct answer option D, A or B. An application for affiliation to an apex society shall be made in form number dash of Appendix 2 of KCS Rules 1969. 14, 30, 31, 32. Correct answer is option C, 31. In case of an insured cooperative bank, no resolution shall be passed towards amalgamation or division or transfer of assets and liabilities without the prior approval of Registrar, Reserve Bank of India, State Government, Financing Bank. Correct answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. As per Section 14A of KCS Act 1969, any member of a cooperative society shall have the option of withdrawing his share or deposit or loans within dash from the date of issue of the said notice. 15 days, 30 days, 2 months, 60 days. Correct answer is option B, 30 days. An expelled member shall be eligible for readmission as a member of that society after a period of dash from the date of such expulsion. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Correct answer is option B, 1 year. The privileges and liabilities of nominal members of a cooperative society shall be prescribed in the bylaw of that society, KCS Act and rules, circulars of a registrar, all of the above. Correct answer option A, bylaw of that society. Government nominees appointed under Section 31 of the KCS Act 1969 shall have no right to participate in a general body meeting of the society, to vote for election of office bearers of the society, to participate in a non-confidence motion under Rule 43A of KCS Rules 1969, both B and C. Correct answer option C, to participate in a non-confidence motion under Rule 43A of KCS Rules 1969. Which of the following is not a right of a representative general body constituted in a cooperative society? Power to call a special general body meeting, power to amend the bylaw of that society, power to pass the annual reports, power to pass the audit certificate. Correct answer option A, power to call a special general body meeting. At the time of accepting nomination papers from contesting candidates towards the election of managing committee of the society, the returning officer shall issue the acknowledgement receipt in form number 35, form number 36, form number 37, form number 38. Correct answer option C, form number 37. Which among the following is not a reason for supersession under Section 32 of KCS Act 1969? The committee of a society persistently makes default or negligent in the performance of duties. A non-confidence motion passed by the committee against the president. A committee willfully disobey the orders of registrar. Makes payment contrary to the provisions of Act and rules. Correct answer option B, a non-confidence motion passed by the committee against the president. Financial statement analysis concerned with different periods, vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, internal analysis, external analysis. Correct answer option B, horizontal analysis. Accounting that provides information to management for decision making. Financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, inflation accounting. Correct answer option C, management accounting. Debt equity ratio is turnover ratio, liquidity ratio, coverage ratio, leverage ratio. Correct answer is option D, leverage ratio. The ratio between liquid asset and current asset is called current ratio, quick ratio, asset turnover ratio, proprietary ratio. This question cancelled ആണ്. The ratio which helps to find the ability of an organization to service the long-term debt debt equity ratio, net profit ratio, leverage ratio, coverage ratio. Correct answer is option D, coverage ratio. Analysis of the change of financial position from one period to another period. Balance sheet, profit and loss account, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis. Correct answer option C, fund flow analysis. The condition of no profit, no loss is known as midpoint, break-even point, fixed point, starting point. Correct answer option B, break-even point. The difference between actual sales and sales at the break-even point is called margin of loss, margin of contribution, margin of safety, sales margin. Correct answer option C, margin of safety. Analysis of deviation from actual and standard cost is called variance analysis, cost analysis, budget analysis, inventory analysis. Correct answer option A, variance analysis. The accounting system adopted for converting the past financial expenditure and receipt according to the current price level. Management accounting, inflation accounting, revaluation accounting, financial accounting. Correct answer option B, inflation accounting. The account which records a trader's dealing with other companies or firms. Personal account, nominal account, fictitious account, real account. Correct answer option A, personal account. Rent account comes under real account, personal account, nominal account, cash account. Correct answer option C, nominal account. A check drawn by one bank on another and payable on demand, closed check, banker's draft, overdraft, promissory note. Correct answer option B, overdraft. Documents representing money or money's worth, the little to which can be transferred from one person to another by endorsement and delivery only. Negotiable instrument, qualified acceptance, general acceptance, restrictive endorsement. Correct answer option A, negotiable instrument. The allowance provided for prompt payment of bills, cash discount, quantity discount, rebate, trade discount. Correct answer option A, cash discount. In order to see whether all the entries are correctly transferred from original records into the ledger, dash is prepared. Journal proper, balance sheet, trading account, trial balance. Correct answer is option D, trial balance. Account which shows the result of buying and selling of goods. Goods account, trading account, cash account, sales account. Trading account. Debit balance in profit and loss account represent net loss, net profit, gross profit, operating profit. Correct answer option A, net loss. All balance relating to expense or gains will go to balance sheet, trading account, profit and loss account, capital account. Correct answer option C, profit and loss account. A partnership between two or more persons confined to a business, merger, acquisition, collaboration, joint venture. Correct answer option D, joint venture. Payee of a check is the beneficiary who receives the money, account holder who signs the check, bank who collects the check on behalf of the customer, bank branch where the account holder maintains his account. Correct answer option A, beneficiary who receives the money. BCSBI stands for Banking Customers and Staff Board of India, Banking Codes and Standard Board of India, Banking Currency and Security Board of India, Business Correspondent of State Bank of India. Correct answer Option B. Banking Codes and Standard Board of India. Keeping goods in safe custody is as per the provisions of Negotiable Instrument Act, Indian Partnership Act, Indian Contract Act, Indian Companies Act. Correct answer option C. Indian Contract Act. 1 rupee notes are issued under the signature of whom? Governor of RBI, Finance Secretary, Deputy Governor of RBI, Secretary, Department of Financial Service. Correct answer option B. Finance Secretary. Which of the following is not a source of working capital for a manufacturing firm? Sundry creditor, unsecured advances, bank term loan, bank overdraft. Correct answer is option C. Bank term loan. Which crossing is not recognized by NI Act? Special crossing, account payee crossing, not negotiable crossing, general crossing. Correct answer option B. Account payee crossing. The commercial paper can be issued by corporates and partnership firms, any business entity, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Corporates. Deficiency in loan documentation is an example of which type of risk? Credit risk, operational risk, market risk, liquidity risk. Correct answer is option B. Operational risk. Which is not correct regarding promissory note? In writing containing unconditional undertaking or promise, signed by the maker, requires payment of stamp duty. There are 3 parties in a promissory note: drawee and payee. Correct answer option D. There are 3 parties in a promissory note: drawee and payee. Under section 26 of Negotiable Instrument Act, which one is correct? A minor cannot draw promissory note or a check. A minor who has been admitted to the partnership firm can draw a check. A minor can draw, accept, endorse and negotiable bill of exchange, promissory note or check binding all the parties except himself. A minor can be held liable for the bill of exchange he or she has accepted. Correct answer option C. A minor can draw, accept, endorse and negotiable bill of exchange, promissory note or check binding all the parties except himself. The charge on movable asset without possession of the bank, lien, assignment, mortgage, hypothecation. Correct answer option D. Hypothecation. The charge of immovable property to be created is known as lien, assignment, mortgage, pledge. Correct answer is option C. Mortgage. Mature term deposit is classified as term deposit, demand deposit, contingent deposit, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Demand deposit. What is the proportion of paid up share capital contribution by central government, state government and sponsored bank in case of an RRB? 25:25:50, 35:50:15, 50:35:15, 50:15, 50:15:35. Correct answer is option D. 50:15:35. When banker is the trustee, customer is the trust, beneficiary, executor, agent. Correct answer option B. Beneficiary. In the capital of nationalized banks, the share capital of the central government should not be less than 74, 67, 51, 49. Correct answer option C. 51. Statutory liquidity ratio is maintained as per which of the following? Section 42(1) of RBI Act, Section 42 of the Banking Regulation Act, Section 42 of RBI Act, Section 24 of Banking Regulation Act. Correct answer option D, Section 24 of Banking Regulation Act. Collateral security means goods as security pledged or hypothecated, advance against supply bills, advance against raw materials, additional security given by the borrower over and above the asset on which loan is given. Correct answer is option D, additional security given by the borrower over and above the asset on which loan is given. To be a scheduled bank, the bank has to be one of the following: State Cooperative Bank, company defined under Section 3 of Companies Act, an institution notified by the central government, any of the above. Correct answer is option D, any of the above. Drawer of a check is the beneficiary who receives the money, account holder who signs the check, bank to bank who collects the check on behalf of the customer, bank branch where the account holder maintains his account. Correct answer option B, account holder who signs the check. The financial health of a cooperative institution is indicated by net worth, current ratio, liquid ratio, CRAR. Correct answer is option D, CRAR. It is the responsibility of Dash to submit the final account for audit as per Section 64(4)(a) of KCS Act. Chief Executive, General Body, Managing Committee, Audit Committee. Correct answer is option C, Managing Committee. Statement which contains a classified summary or list of all closing balance shown in the general ledger is known as receipt and disbursement statement, balance sheet, trial balance, none of the above. Correct answer option C, trial balance. Annual stock verification statement is to be certified by President, Secretary and Directors, Audit Committee, Directors, none of the above. Correct answer option A, President, Secretary and Directors. It shall be the duty of Dash goes to audit the accounts of every society at least Dash in every year. Managing Committee once, Chief Executive twice, Audit Committee once, all of the above. Correct answer option A, Managing Committee once. The accounts of every society shall be audited within dash of the close of financial year. 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months, 6 years. Correct answer option C, 6 months. The financial accounts of all Apex Society shall be audited by Director of Cooperative Audit, auditing firms, concurrent auditors, registrar. Correct answer option B, auditing firms. The financial statement required for audit shall be prepared by the Chief Executive within 6 months, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year. Correct answer option B, 1 month. The qualification of auditor of cooperative society is laid down in Section 63, Section 64, Rule 64, Rule 64A. Correct answer option D, Rule 64A. Vanida cooperative societies need a dash of the rate of audit fees chargeable. 1/3, half, 1/4, 2/3. Correct answer option B, half. ENTE was a government organization, non-government organization, cooperative organization sponsored by government, none of the above. Correct answer option C, cooperative organization sponsored by government. Section 76 of Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act empowers reading of auditor's report, right of auditor of attend general body meeting, special audit by government, inspection of books and accounts. Correct answer option B, right of auditor of attend general meeting. As per the Cooperative Credit Societies Act 1904, the annual audit of each cooperative society was the duty of Director of Cooperative Audit, Government, Cooperative Union, Registrar. Correct answer option D, Registrar. The auditor of a cooperative society is appointed by Director of Cooperative Audit, Registrar, CEO, General Body. Correct answer option D, General Body. It is through audit alone that an effective control can be exercised over the movement. Specify the committee which stated this. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee, McLagan Committee, Saraiya Committee, Mirdha Committee. Correct answer option B, McLagan Committee. The Kerala Cooperative Audit Manual was first published in the year 1983, 1990, 1969, 2001. Correct answer option A, 1983. The depreciation of computer is charged at dash in a cooperative society. 10%, 20%, 5%, none of the above. Correct answer is option D, none of the above. Audit of cooperative institution should be entrusted to an agency independent of Registrar of Cooperative Societies. Whose opinion is this? McLagan Committee, Committee on Cooperative Law, Mirdha Committee, Gorwala Committee. Correct answer option C, Mirdha Committee. The maximum amount that can be credited to member relief fund by way of profit appropriation is 60,000, 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Correct answer option D, 1 lakh. A rise in operating ratio indicates a decline in efficiency, increase in efficiency, stagnation of efficiency, none of the above. Correct answer option A, decline in efficiency. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക.